We have a 2014 BMW 320 X-Drive. I'm going to show you a quick video how to release a parking without power. In this case we do have power, but we don't have the key. See? Press the button, that happens. It is in park, so we can't really get it out of the gear. We need to roll the car around. I'll show you how to release the parking. Make sure your parking brake is up nice and tight, because when you're gonna release the parking gear, your car will roll down. So make sure the parking brake is on and the car is not gonna roll when you're gonna release the parking. Okay, now lift the car up. You're gonna need the driver's side to go up. Make sure you put the jack under the lifting pads. Now you're gonna need to get under the car. See, my car is missing all the covers from the bottom. There's the whole thing is gonna be covered in plastic all the way to the transmission. See, this is a transmission oil pan. See, these bolts are holding transmission oil pan. See this little bolt over here? This is the parking gear release. Now you're gonna have to tighten that bolt up. You don't have to go all the way in. Just go until the point you hear the parking gear released. It's gonna click. Just go a couple more turns and stop. You're gonna need a 5mm hex key. Put it into the bolt and start tightening the bolt up. You're gonna hear the parking gear release. Yep. See, now the parking gear is released. To make the operation of your transmission back to normal, because now it's not gonna go into the drive or any other gears, because you have the emergency parking brake release on. You're gonna need to back this bolt out. Don't ever take it out completely, just back it out maybe 10-20 turns so it stays here, and reset the codes in your transmission computer and you're all set to go. To put it back to normal, when you're done fixing your car, just back this bolt out. You don't have to take it out completely, like I said before. You see, when it stops touching that little lever over here, you can stop. And now the parking gear is engaged again. Well, when you back the bolt out, the parking gear will not engage on its own. Most likely you're gonna need to turn the ignition on for it to go into place, so make sure your car is not gonna roll.